Security is important on every network. It's important to protect against compromised wireless keys, unauthorized users, and those connecting devices to the wired network out of ignorance or malicious intent. One solution to help with this is Radius. If you use Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, for managing your Cisco network devices, I've got great news. With the software version 2.5, you now have access to a new feature, a built-in Radius server. Once configured, each user's credentials must be verified before they can connect to your wireless network or wired. This provides an extra layer of protection and enhances network security. Remember to update your CBD instance to the most recent version before you start. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to set up a built-in CBD Radius server for use with a CBW wireless network. Next. To get started, log into your CBD dashboard. Navigate to Network Configuration and select Authentication. Click the Add button, enter a profile name, and then the device group. Scroll down and click the checkbox to use the Cisco Business Dashboard authentication service. Click Save. After the process is complete, a Done with Success status notification will show. Navigate to the System menu and choose Platform Settings, and then the System Variables tab for the fully qualified domain name or external dashboard host name, the IP address, and ports defined for HTTP and HTTPS. Add the port for Radius in the External Authentication Server port field. I'll enter 1812. Click Save when complete. Move over to Administration and select Users. Add the username, display name, and email. The user doesn't need dashboard access, but they do need access to the network. To do that, enable the Network Access checkbox and enter the password fields. The physical address is not required. Click Save to continue. Repeat as needed until all users have been entered. Once the users have been created successfully, scroll down and choose the Organizations tab. Click on the Add button. In this example, I'll select Default from the drop-down menu. Then, move back to Network Configuration and choose Wireless LANs. Click the Add button. Enter the profile name, organization, and device groups. I'll select the device group as Default. Scroll down to Wireless LANs and click on Add. Enter a name for the wireless network. I'll use the name of my corporate Wi-Fi. My VLAN ID is set as 2 and the security at WPA2 Enterprise. Once your selections are set, click Save. After a few minutes, the CBD Radius server side is set. Now you can verify the configurations on your CBW access point, AP, and configure some optional settings if desired. Log into the user interface of the AP. Since you need admin access, make sure you are in Expert View. Under the navigation menu, select WLANs. You can view your corporate wireless network in the table. Click the Edit icon next to it, and then Yes to continue. Under the WLAN Security tab, WPA2 Enterprise is listed as the security type. The public IP is shown from the Radius server created by CBD. You can continue to the VLAN and firewall section. If you want to change the VLAN your wireless network connects to, change it here. For my network, I'll go to VLAN 2. If your network contains Apple devices, go to the Traffic Shaping tab and enable Fast Lane from the drop-down menu. This sets up some quality of service settings for Apple devices. Click Apply to continue. After that, go to Management and select Admin Accounts. Click on the Radius tab and verify that the Radius server and secret key have been created by CBD. All set. Moving forward, the Radius server will verify each user before they can have access to the wireless network. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.